The Pokemon Sawsbuck is actually a symbiotic relationship between this deer Pokemon and the plant. I think the plant is actually feeding off of Sawsbuck and getting some of its nutrients from the Pokemon's body, and it's also being protected from predators, and in turn this plant is helping Sawsbuck attract mates. I don't think the antlers on Sawsbuck are actually antlers because like during the winter they get this like cold twig thing, which makes sense with its design. But it doesn't really make sense if these were actual antlers. It would probably just drop them and wouldn't go through these drastic changes like we see in Sawsbuck. Like, yeah, antlers go through drastic changes, like animals grow antlers during mating season, they use them to compete with other males, and then they drop them off of their head. That is pretty drastic, but these ones go through different foliage changes. And if we look at Sawsbuck moveset, we can see like something peculiar. It's like evolution and signature move is Horn Leech, and then the next one it learns is Leech Seed. Which is kind of suspicious that the first two grass moves that this Pokemon learns are like specialized in sapping the energy from something. And that's because that's what the plant on its head is doing, is sapping the energy from Sawsbuck. But this is an equal trade-off and isn't parasitism because Sawsbuck uses these big foliage antlers to attract mates and like show that it's the dominant Sawsbuck in its herd. And in biology, this is called honest signaling. This is showing that this Sawsbuck is strong enough and has enough energy to support this giant plant growing on its head that's actually slowly sucking away its energy. And so the Sawsbuck that is able to grow the biggest antlers is the strongest, has the most energy, has the most fat reserves, and is therefore probably the best mate.